Hey everyone.
Hi everyone.
Really dark here.
Really dark.
We got a light. Well, she has a light on her. Anyway, we're doing what, Lise?
The Haunted Mansion. Whoa.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together. Please.
Let's go. Let's go. Thank you.
This warning.
Thank you.
The spirits will
The ghost did that.
only if you remain quietly seated at all times.
Keep it down, Lise.
Keep it down, Jimmy.
Alright.
Yes, and no flash pictures, please.
Flashing.
Flashing.
Spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright
Look
light.
at her. Look at her. Ghost ship. It's Medusa.
Just took our picture.
Think so?
Yes.
Well stocked with priceless
Hey.
first editions, only ghost stories.
Hey, Lise, I'm looking at you.
Yes.
And marble busts
Boy, he's
of the
loud.
greatest ghost writers the literary world has
Why
ever
is he screaming in my ear?
Alright. Chamber of Stairs.
join us. Final arrangements may be made at the end.
Wow.
Eyes. The eyes have it. I think we're being watched. Getting out, trying to get out.
Yeah.
And that's trying to bang into the doors.
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, crawl in the spirits wherever they're at.
Ghosts are having Christmas tonight. Right. Another. Oh, there she is. She had an axe. I saw the axe. There it is. Hey, scary guy jumped out. Hi guys, how you doing?
Hi guys.
Now I raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
No! All right, so what do you think of that?
That was awesome. A little technical difficulty. We had to wait about 5 minutes in our seats, stuck on the middle of the ride. But I'm not bad. We had a discussion with the ghosts, and they were okay with it. So, yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.